morning, you beautiful peeps. My name's John. Welcome to my channel. Today we have the GT Power high power headlight system, and I think it's actually quite powerful as what they state. Now I am not going to be fitting it directly to this car. The reason being, I have a crawler on its way, and I think this headlight system would look great in it. So I'm going to be saving the installation for another vehicle. But what I want to do is show you how easy it is to set up, to get it installed, show you the power, and then when it gets dark tonight, a few hours from now, I'm going to be taking some video and show you just how strong it is. So let's get on. Here we have the box, and this is it. This is the total amount that comes with it. This retails at around $11 US, which I think is pretty good when and you'll see how how powerful it is. This is the instructions. This was sent to me by GT Power themselves for free, so thank you very much to them. And here we go. Now, you do need a free slot on your receiver, like so, and it needs to be one that you can actually activate the lights with, so like channel 3 or channel 4 in most cases. So if we bring this, I'm just going to put that down there. We've got the two connectors to connect it. One's going to be to the receiver, one's going to be to the actual battery itself. Now this runs off a 2S battery. So it goes in. Let's put it into number 3. Oops, sorry, there. Like so, that is connected. And then onto the battery. This isn't the original battery, it's just the one that was charged up for the moment, so I thought I would use it, and like so. So here we go. I have the controller here. I think it's either on channel 4 or channel 3 there, but we'll soon find out. So let's turn that on, turn the car on. Let's have a look, is it that one? No, it must be this one then. Look at that! Oh. And that's how easy it is to install. It's really easy. Anybody can do this. Actually, when it comes to installing into the car itself, this is not a very good example because it has obviously the curved front to it, so I won't be able to fit it there. But if I wanted to, I could fit it sort of here. So you would just drill the holes slightly smaller than the diameter of this, and then I would push them that way through. Definitely. Yeah. But as I said, I'm going to be saving that for another vehicle that's on its way. So that one should look pretty cool. Now, as I said, tonight I will get this on the roof and we'll just see exactly how powerful they are. But from what I've seen, especially when it's very dark, it lit up my whole hallway, and I have a very long hallway. So I'll see you back in about, what, 6 hours? See you soon.
6 hours later.
So, what do you think? Are they high powered? I think so. You can just tell by the video. Sorry about the quality, but I'm still having problems figuring out how to record at night. I'm not very good at it yet. But as far as what it says on the tin and what it does, it's exact. They are high powered. They do a very good job at what they're doing, and I love them. They're going to look great on the new project that I have. So, the link is in the description below. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time. Stay safe, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.